Hi Neha, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I am fine. Okay. So first of all, tell me something about yourself.
My full name is Neha Sanjay Bidurkar. I did my graduation from Electronics and Telecommunication from Jagdamba College of Engineering Technology. After that, I preparing for government exams. Currently, I completed my certification in data entry and tally. My About my family background, we have 5 members, including me. My hobbies are communicating with the people and painting. My weaknesses are I'm a little bit homesick. Uh, that's all about me.
Okay. But being homesick is a weakness. I don't think so. It's not a
No, sir,
weakness.
it's a weakness.
Even I'm a homesick. No issues. Okay. So my first question to you is, what is the difference between sales and marketing?
In marketing, we have marketing. Uh, Actually, in selling, we sellers uh, convince the people to take their product. And in
Okay.
marketing, consumer demands, we sell consumer demand. On
Okay.
consumer demand, we sell a product.
Okay. So what if I offer you a job in marketing domain? Will you do it?
No, sir. Actually, I'm interested only in selling because I'm uh, very good at convincing people. I like to
Okay.
convince people. That's why I've only take a job in selling.
Okay. So Neha, as I have gone through your resume, so you have passed 2017 and now you're applying for a job. So there's been a gap of 3-4 years now. Okay. So what you were doing all these years and why you're applying now for a sales company?
Actually, sir, when I am in 12th, I don't know what to do. Actually, I'm not that enough mature. That's why my parents take a decision to graduated from engineering.
Okay.
In our family there is no any engineer. That's why my parents decided to take, and I study SOP. After that, in graduation, I realized that I am interested in communicating with the people. I like to communicate with the different people, and that after that I'm not interested in engineering at all. That's Then after that I started to preparing a government job, and I actually I'm take a membership in Oriflame company. This is the selling company.
Okay.
Then I realized I'm very good at the communicating. That's why after that I searched for the selling job, and I got this Vedantu. I know about that, and apply for this Vedantu company.
Okay. But Neha, as you mentioned, that in graduation only you realized that you are having a good sales skill, right? You are having a good convincing skill. So why you wasted 4 years after that? Like in 2017 you completed, you might have applied in 2017, 2018. Why
Oh,
4 years?
actually, sir, I am good at communicating. It's only I think it's only because of they are familiar. They are friends. They are familiar with me. I don't know. Actually, I'm best for selling job. Actually,
Okay.
when I go going to the preparation, then I decided to why I take only why I'm going to this preparation. I just wanted to do something else. That's why I started this Oriflame, and then I realized that actually I'm at the best at the selling. So that's why I chose.
Okay. But Neha, if I think of sales company, the first company comes to my mind is Byju's because Byju's has a good package. The package which they are offering to employees, that is very good. The product is very good. Education is very good. So why not Byju's? Why Vedantu?
Actually, sir, in my point of view, Vedantu provides online teaching classes, live classes.
Okay.
So and they have two-way communication. They
Okay.
provide uh, lots of notes and NCRT notes. They take a quizzes on a daily basis. They practice a lot of students. Actually, it's great for me to convince people rather than buy. Actually, I
Okay,
take
but don't you think that all these features which you mentioned right now, Byju's are having all these features? And in fact, I know from my side that Byju's is having something extra from Vedantu that I can give you assurance about. Okay,
actually
because
sir
Byju's
Vedantu
is a
have
great application.
some one more feature. They provide all they. if your child don't get anything from Vedantu, if they don't get increase their result, then Vedantu refund their money
Okay, after how many days of taking
after
the product?
15 days or anything, or if their child don't increase their percentage and their present is less than 75%, then they don't get any refund. But your present is more than 75%, then they refund your money. This is the
Okay, so
great policy.
suppose if I took Vedantu, after 6 months, I am telling I'm not satisfied with Vedantu. I don't like the
But
product. The services are very bad. So will they refund the money to me or not?
but sir, how you say I'm not satisfied? You get any exam? You get any result?
No, I have seen the application. I have gone through the videos. Okay. So the videos were not satisfactory as per me. As per me, it should be more good. The quality can be increased. So I am just saying that I don't like the application. Byju's is much better. Okay. After 6 months. So will you refund the money or not?
After 6 months. Okay. So
Yes.
after 6 months, you have to prove yourself that you are not learning anything. You have to
Okay.
prove that you attend all the classes,
Okay.
and then
So
and
suppose
you have
suppose if I have missed 10 classes in 6 months and rest I have attended. So will I get the
and what
refund or
is your
not?
proof or what is your problem? It depends on
Zero.
that.
Zero.
Zero. That then they must be refund your money.
Okay. So refund they'll refund me like complete amount they'll refund. Or they'll refund it
Yes.
partially.
No, sir. They refund complete amount.
Complete amount. Okay, cool. Okay. So now I'll be asking you some sales questions. Okay. So try to
Okay.
convince me, try to treat me as a customer, and you become a salesperson and try to convince me with that questions. Okay.
Okay.
So my first question to you is, suppose you are having a cycle repair shop. Okay. You are the owner of the shop. I am coming to your shop to buy a motorcycle grip. Okay. And you have to convince me to buy a cycle chain. My demand is different. I only want a grip. Okay. But it's your job to convince me to buy a cycle chain. Okay.
You
Got my
want to
question?
what?
I want a grip. Okay. I am coming
Grip.
to your shop to buy a grip, motorcycle grip. Okay. But your job is to sell me a cycle chain, a normal cycle chain. Okay. So whatever techniques you can think of it and try to convince me to sell a cycle chain. So we'll do a role play. Okay. So I'm coming to your shop. Hi Neha, I just want a motorcycle grip. Can you give me?
Okay, sir. You want to motorcycle keeper.
Yes.
When you use motorcycle, how many times you use motorcycle?
I use it like I am using it frequently. In a day, I am using it like 8 times. And right now it is with me only. And I just want a grip because grip are torn. So I don't want that torn grip to be there. I want a new grip. That's all.
Okay, sir. But you don't think that chain is more important for cycle?
Sorry.
You don't think that chain is more important for cycle
Cycle,
rather than grip?
but I don't have
Motorcycle.
cycle. I am having motorcycle. And in my
Okay,
motorcycle, there
motorcycle.
is no chain. I am not having any chain in motorcycle. That's why I just asked for a grip. So sell me the grip. That's all. Can you give me?
Okay, sir. Sir, rather than motorcycle, cycle is the best thing. Because of the you know about the nowadays cycle is in a trend. Uh,
Okay.
so you
I
have
am
to
not
use
saying
cycle.
cycle is bad. I am agreeing to your point. Cycle is good. Everything is good. But what do I do with that? I don't have cycle. I don't have kids who use cycle in my house. So there is no link with cycle. I only have motorcycle. So I want the grip.
Okay,
That's
sir.
all.
Okay, sir. Then you may give that anyone to your loved ones or anything. So you have some in your family. If there is some kid or
See, I'll
uh,
tell you. I'll tell you. That is not an item to gift, first of all. And secondly, if anyone wants, I'll send him to your shop and they'll buy. But right now, I don't want any cycle chain. I only want a grip. That's all. Give me the grip. That's all. Job is done.
no,
Confused?
sir. Yes.
Okay, we'll discuss. Okay, my next question to you is, suppose I am a Brahmin and you are a salesperson, you have to sell me a fish. So how will you approach?
Okay. Sir, actually, fish. We can. We have. We use a fish as we use like a pet. If we uh, take a fish and uh, uh,
Yes,
the
go
fish
ahead.
is
Give it a
very
try.
good for Vastu Shastra. And
Okay.
if you put your fish in your house, that will when we see at the fish, we feel like enthusiastic, and if every day if we see at the fish, then the concentration may increase. That's why, sir, you have
Okay.
to take fish. Definitely you have to take fish.
Okay. Okay. So okay, but I am a Brahmin as I mentioned, right? So like Brahmins don't have fish, don't eat fish, don't keep fish. Okay. So if I take this fish to my house also, family will not allow me. They'll just say, don't buy this fish, just give it back to from where you have taken, and they'll not allow me to take this fish to my house. That is
So
the
it
problem
is
with me.
okay, sir, but it is the best for the Vastu Shastra, and you will increase your concentration power, and it is uh, great at when any animal in our house, we feel like excited every time when we see at that pet. So we have to keep it in house. So actually, when
Okay.
you the family says that this is not good for you, our house, anything. But sir, when you going with that fish at a house, and we took place in the particular fish pond, then your family realize that this is the great gift. This is the great thing you have taken for our house.
Okay. But the problem is that my religion, if I take fish to my house, my family says it will break my religion. That is the
Sir,
cost of my religion.
actually, it is best for your religion, sir, because it is great for your Vastu Shastra, and there is a God of Vishnu. They love, they are actually, this is the good thing for God also.
Okay, so God Vishnu loves fish.
Uh,
You're saying that? Okay, cool. Okay. So my next question to you is, suppose I'm having a short hairs right now. Okay. So you have to convince me to grow long hairs. I don't, right? I don't grow long hairs. I don't have anything like I don't have anything specific to grow long hairs. Okay. I think I look good in short hairs only. But that is your job to convince me to like grow long hairs. How will you convince me?
so actually, your hair is great, but you
Okay.
have to make it look like if you have to look a great, you have to like a trendy people. You have to if you want to look as a trend people or anything else, you must have to grow your hair. And if you
See,
grow your
I'll
hair,
I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing. If I come across 100 people, na, I'll see only 2 people having long hairs. 98 will be having short hairs. So why to go for long hairs? I think it looks good.
but we have considered in 100 people, we only see that 2 people because they are attractive, it seems attractive, and other thing is in a lockdown we don't go anywhere. That's why
Okay.
it is a great thing to make your hair long, and it
Okay.
saves your money
Okay.
to
For haircut.
yes sir, for haircut.
Okay. Okay. It will save my money for haircut. Okay.
Yes.
But what about look? I don't feel like growing long hairs. What about look? I think I
Sir,
look. I will not look nice in long hairs.
your perception is that you don't look good, but you thinking that when your hair increase long, your hair become long, that you think that your decision is the best because everyone notice you, everyone give us such compliments to you. That time you find out that.
Okay, cool. Okay, so my next question to you is, suppose you are a salesperson in a cosmetic showroom. Okay, one lady comes to your showroom, she takes a makeup kit from you. Okay, and she uses the makeup kit and her face is damaged because the makeup kit got expiry. Okay, you didn't check the expiry date, you gave the makeup kit to the lady, she used it, and now she is complaining. She is coming to your showroom and she is shouting on you that what have you given me? It has damaged my face. I might have to go through therapies now to like save my face. Okay, I'll file a case against you. I'll file FIR. I'll sue your company. All that stuffs. Okay, so she's very irritated. She's very angry. Okay, so now how will you handle the situation?
Sir, first of all, actually, can we go through role play? Okay.
Sorry.
Sir, actually, may I ask you, your skin is always be sensitive or only at that time?
No, only at that time. My skin is good. Her skin was good. Okay, she was not having any issues. But you gave the wrong product. That is the reason it damaged the skin.
Okay. If because of my product damage her skin, then definitely she get angry. But sir, actually, our product is best. They if unfortunately her skin damaged, but after 1 to 2 days, her skin will be regular at size.
No, see,
Because
I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I took the product and it damaged my skin. So that is the reason
after
I
2 days,
don't trust you anymore.
after 2 days, you come at me and whatever happens, I take your responsibility. Is
Okay.
our company guarantee that our product is never been
Okay.
damaged?
Suppose if I'm going to a therapy for a face therapy. Okay. If my skin is not restored. Okay. If I go for a therapy and if the therapy costs 10 lakh rupees, so will you give me the amount?
So actually, I told that our product is not that. Actually, our product is
No,
made
see,
for.
I'll tell you one thing. You mentioned whatever happens, our company will take care, right? So that's why
Okay,
I'm telling you, if I'm asking for 10 lakh rupees as a compensation, will you give me or not?
okay, I will give you because
You'll
our
give me,
company says. Okay,
right?
sir. Mhm.
Okay, cool. Okay. So now I'll have some academic questions from you. Okay. My first
Okay.
question to you is, what is Newton's second law of motion?
Newton's the momentum is equal to the product of mass and velocity.
Okay. What is the formula?
M equals to, P equals to mv. Z equals
P is equals to mv. Okay. What is E is equals to mc square? Have you heard the equation?
Einstein equation.
Okay. What is the theory called? There's a name of this theory, right?
Photoelectric effect.
Sorry?
Photoelectric effect.
No. There's a theory.
Actually, yeah, energy is equals to the uh, mass into uh, light speed of light square.
Okay. But I just as the name of theory. That's all. I don't want the equation. Equation I told you, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I want only name. That's all. There's a name.
We call it photoelectric effect. No.
No, it's not like that. Okay. What is the actual color of sun?
White.
White.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And can you tell me the seven color of rainbow in sequence?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Rainbow color.
In sequence. Seven color of rainbow in sequence.
Violet, indigo, blue, red.
After blue, it's red.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, it's red. Okay, cool.
Indigo, orange.
Done. 6 are there. There's one more left. Okay, the sequence was wrong. I'll tell you first of all. Okay, so we'll discuss. Okay, so now I'll be asking you some like BDA questions. Suppose you got the job role, okay, and you are now the BDA of an academy, okay, and I am your customer. So as a customer, I'm raising a concern. I asked you a few simple questions, right? The questions might be of class 4 or 5, okay, not more than that, okay, and you are not able to give me the simple question answers, okay. So now I don't have trust to an academy because I think if you are not able to give the answers, then teachers might not be able to give the answer as well, okay. So now I'm having trust issues with an academy. I don't think that it will help me.
Sir, actually,
Sorry,
I am a BD.
with Vedantu product.
Sir, actually, I am a BDA. Actually, I'm the employee seller. I'm the seller employee. I'm not a teacher. Actually,
Okay.
you look at our Vedantu classes or anything. They might be a educated person. They teach. They have experience for teaching. I am just a selling person. I just wanted
Okay.
to sell my product. I just wanted to give something about your something, some information about product. That's why you have to check. You have to check our reviews. Actually, you have to check. You have to check our rating. There is a 4.3 rating and 10 millions downloader. That's why you have
So
to
see,
check.
I got all those points, but see, I don't know Vedantu. Okay, I don't know who is the owner of Vedantu. Okay, you came to my house, so I know only you. Okay, so that's why I asked few questions to you, because if you give me right answers, then only I'll have trust of Vedantu, right? Otherwise, I won't be having trust, right? That is the problem. But I've asked you few simple questions that everybody should know, as per me.
Okay,
So
sir.
that is the reason
Actually,
I'm not having trust.
I think you have read something about Vedantu. That's why you listening to me. Otherwise, if you don't listen anything about Vedantu, then if you listen 20 minutes. Actually, you give me 20 minutes. That's a a lot for you and me also. Then why you don't take a reviews on your mobile? Why you don't check your rating on your mobile? Just to take a
No,
few
that
seconds.
I'll do. That is my job. That I'll do. I'll check all the reviews. But what about the answers? Because I asked you few questions, you don't give me right correct answers for that answers, like for that questions. So now, like, what about that? That reviews part
Actually,
I'll do from my end. No issues.
okay, sir. Actually, I actually says that I am the seller person. Actually, I am just the one. If you want some information, if you want to subscribe our Vedantu, if you want to get some package, if you want to enroll in our Vedantu, then I am that person. I'm just wanted to know about our product. That's why I come at your home. And you actually after that when I going to somewhere. Actually, I'm going to somewhere, then you think about that, then you have some questions, then call me again and I will answer you. But actually my job is only that I have to sell my product. I'm not for teaching purpose. There is a loss of teacher who are experienced, they have educated, they are maximum are IITians to search for that.
Okay. My next question to you is Byju's claims that they have India's top teachers. Okay. So definitely you might not be having India's top teachers, because top teachers best can be only one, right? If Byju's say they have the best teacher, that means they have the best teacher. They cannot claim anything wrong. They are claiming that they have best teacher. Okay. So why should I go with Vedantu? If they are having best, I'll go with Byju's. I'll go with the best. If I have to invest my money, I'll invest with the best. Why should I go for a better option? I'll go with the best, right?
Okay. Sir, last year in 2019, you see that in IIT, in from 10,000 students, 550 students are selected from Vedantu. That's actually this is the large number.
Okay.
This large number is from the Vedantu, not from the Byju's. If we don't have the great teacher, is a perfect best one teacher, then why we get that result? Why
Okay.
don't anyone give that result?
Okay, cool. Okay, my next question to you is Byju's is having a tie-up with Disney products, right? So for class 1, 2, 3, they are giving a Disney product. Okay, that means they are having a good quality of animation, advertisement. They might be having all those things because Disney, we all know, we all have seen cartoon and grown up. Okay, so we all know Disney is the best in cartoon. We cannot expect anything better than Disney. Okay, so what about lower classes? Vedantu is not having Disney products, so the quality might not be as good as Byju's. Okay, so why should I go with Vedantu? I'll go with Byju's, the best one.
So actually, Vedantu don't provide the classes for 1 to 4. They just started the classes for fifth standard. Uh,
Okay.
so actually, fifth to 12th standard student don't want a Disney type cartoon and all.
Okay, so I'll do one thing. What I'll do is my son is right now in class 1. Okay, so I'll take Byju's for 2, 3, 4 years. Okay, when he grows up to class 5 or 6, then I'll take Vedantu. Will that work?
Actually, it depends on actually if you get, oh, this is the Disney, okay, this is the Disney, and your children is interested in Disney for the 1 to 4 standard. After that, he
Mhm.
don't interested in Disney and all the cartoons. He will
Okay.
interested in he understand how to get a study and all. Then he he had a choice for Vedantu and Baiju, maybe something else also. But
Okay.
when you started demo classes, then you realize that
No,
which
see,
is the
I'll
best.
tell you, Vedantu is good. I'm happy with Vedantu. But as you mentioned that it is not having lower classes for class 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So my son is in class 1 right now. Okay. So if I want also, I cannot take Vedantu. Okay. Because it is not available in Vedantu. Right. That's what I'm telling you. For 3, 4 years, I'll take Byju's and then I'll come to Vedantu. Is that okay for you?
Actually, this is okay for me because actually in fifth standard, they might somewhat matured. They think about what he wants, what he understand. If he actually after if he goes for Vedanta or Byju's, he in fifth class they don't give Disney type cartoons and all. So why they don't try the Vedanta for 15 days free trial classes? Why they
Okay.
don't try for a Byju's and then compare when they compare those two things, then he decided. Actually, I think Vedanta is the best thing because when kid gets big, they are interested in a mobile PUBG and all that. So he distracted. If we give a mobile to their hand, they are just distracted after 10, half an hour they are distracted. Then he might close the classes and playing the game. But in Vedantu,
Correct.
there is a there is a one option. If your kid disable from 30 seconds in a three for 3 times, then we get a information. Actually, we get a information and application notification that your child is disabled, misbehave like that, and we get a call. Parents get a call for that your child not interested in study and what is happening that this is the best for parents also because the parents don't get every time eye on their kids. So
Okay.
this is the
Okay.
Vedanta is.
So my next question to you is, suppose if my child is having an eyesight issue, okay,
Mm.
and if he sees the mobile phone for more than 1 hour or more than 45 minutes, then he's having pain in the eyes. Okay. So in that case, I am thinking not to go for online classes. I think offline is good for him. So I'm not thinking to take Vedantu anymore. What do you say?
Okay. So your kid see mobile every day. Actually, they
Yes,
see.
yes, yes. Every day.
So why don't you stop your kid to see that videos? Actually, they
See,
are
I
good.
stop
Don't.
I do stop him many times, but he is so naughty that he'll definitely find a mobile phone from anywhere wherever I keep my mobile phone. Okay, and
Mhm.
he'll start seeing the videos, he'll start playing the games. So he's like that. But see, I can stop him from playing games because that are games. Okay, so if I say him not to play games, definitely he'll stop playing games. Okay, but study is something that he has to do regularly. Okay, he cannot
Actually,
miss
he is
any day.
okay. Actually, he is interested in the mobile online class mobile. He loves to use mobile. So you have to take our package because he loves to use mobile. He loves to study in rather than books. He loves to study in mobile. So he just use mobile every day at least 1 hour maybe. So he don't he invests her time his time in lectures studying. Then it is a great for your kid also. He invests his time in studying, not in cartoons and all.
Okay, cool. Okay, so my next question to you is, sell me a pen in 3 ways.
Anyway. Uh, so you use pen every day
Yes,
or
yes,
how
yes,
you
I do.
what is the what kind of pen you use?
I use to write diaries. I maintain a
Okay.
diary every day. So I use the
Hmm.
pen for that only. That's all.
So actually, I have a pen. This is the cheap pen. You write a diary. You want a soft pen, soft-handed pen, and this is the best pen with a cheap price. And
Okay.
so that's why you must buy this pen. And this is the
Okay. One. Okay. Go with second way.
second way.
Mhm. Go with that.
Sir, this pen is so light weighted, so you can carry your pen whatever you want to go, to take your diary, and
Okay.
sometimes you.
Go with third. Go with third way.
uh,
Right.
it is sir,
Okay.
this
Two is
pen
enough.
is attractive.
Okay. Two is enough. I got your point. Two is enough. Okay. So my last question to you is, I am having freshers right now with me. Okay. Who are having a good base. Okay. Because they have just passed out. Okay. So why should I hire you? Because see, you are having a huge gap in education. Okay. So you might not be that punctual as they are. Okay. So what plan B do you have if I don't hire you today?
Sir, they are freshers. They might, but sir, I have that gap. So I realize lots of things, and I realize that what is the potential in me, what is not, what is potential in me, and I actually I'm somewhat mature than this person, more mature than this
How can
person.
you say that?
Because I faces lots of trouble. Actually, I also graduated. I go through same process that student goes through, and after that I
Okay.
goes through many failures, and many of the things I have to realize many things. What actually what I am interested, what to not to do, what that's why. And sir, actually I have that potential that I am at very good at convincing the people. This is uh, I realize that I have the great potential at convincing people that this is a good quality for selling, and it must give your company great profit. Actually, I am a
Okay.
great asset for your company.
Okay. Cool. Got your point. Okay. So I think Neha, the interview is done. Okay. So